Hi, I'm Stacy Molander with Rusted Window inside the Indiana Design Center, and I'm here to talk to you today about creating a bedroom sanctuary. The first thing we always bring in when we create a new bedroom for anyone is a bamboo sheet. They're sustainable, reasonably priced, super soft, they're unbelievably soft. We also like to bring in beautiful bed linens, and we believe in spending a little extra money because these are up against your skin every night. You need to be comfortable, you need to be nestled in and just feel like you're having a hotel night's sleep every night. So after we put the nice bed linens in place, then we bring in some nice throw pillows so we can create the vibe of any bedroom. With this bedroom, we're going with a boho teenage girl. So we brought in some oranges and yellows because they create a warm, happy, vibrant space for any teenage girl who has a lot of energy. We've also brought in a nice candle because we believe fragrance also helps in creating the vibe for any bedroom that's personal, that makes somebody want to get up and want to go to bed there every night. In this situation, we created a nightstand with 3 suitcases stacked to give it a vintage boho look, and we didn't have to spend a lot of money in those nightstands because we were trying to get the trendy look without a big trendy price tag. So with this room, we've had a lot of color, but our color flows together. We repeat the color, so it makes it a nice, calm space because everything flows and has a good consistency. When it comes to creating a bedroom sanctuary and a master suite, we like to use more of a softer color palette with blues and greens because they create a calm space. So after your hard day of work and your stressful day, a nice calm space is a great place for you and your husband to unwind, relax, get some one-on-one time without the kids. Keep the kids out of your space. They really don't need to be in your master bedroom. And every morning you need to make your bed. I know it sounds crazy, but you will be amazed at how much better you sleep when you get into a nice made bed. If you need any help with redesigning your room, come to the Indiana Design Center. There are several showrooms here that are happy to help.